What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn how to make money on TikTok as a creator. I'm going to share with you the top 3 ways to make money on TikTok as a content creator. Now there are other ways to make money, like if you're a business trying to promote through TikTok, but that is for another video. The first way that you can make money on TikTok as a creator is through coins. Now let me quickly explain how coins work. First of all, as a viewer, you can add coins to your TikTok account by clicking on the 3 dots up on your profile, then click balance. Now you'll see right here, I have no coins in my balance. I can tap recharge and buy different amounts of coins right here. You'll be charged through your iTunes or App Store account, depending on your device. And now I have 65 TikTok coins. Now, how do coins work? When one of your favorite creators goes live on TikTok, you can donate coins for various reasons, depending on the live stream, like if they're doing something cool or whatever. It works similar to, going live on YouTube and being able to make a donation in the comments. It's the same sort of idea. So how do you as a creator make money from these coins? Well, let's say you have a very popular TikTok account and you go live. Now you can only go live on TikTok if you have 1,000 followers. So as soon as you get 1,000 followers on TikTok, you'll have the option to go live. So what happens is you go live on TikTok and then your live viewers can donate coins to you during your live video. These coins, when you're given them by your viewers, are converted into diamonds. Once your rewards reach 10,000 diamonds, you can cash out your diamonds. This is simply done through PayPal, so you can get money directly to your PayPal account. As far as I'm aware right now, 10,000 diamonds equals $50 cash. So you can cash out for $50 if you earn 10,000 diamonds. 20,000 diamonds would be $100 and so on. You must be 18 years or older in order to earn diamonds. The second way you can make money on TikTok is through brand deals. Brand deals work very similar to YouTube or Instagram or other social media platforms, where as soon as you have enough influence or a lot of followers, a lot of views, a lot of likes, you can reach out to some of your favorite brands and make brand deals. For example, let's just say that you have a huge following and Coca-Cola reaches out to you and says, we'll pay you $1,000 if you do a TikTok video while you're drinking a can of Coca-Cola. Now, obviously that's a very unique situation for most people, but there are a lot of brand deals available for micro influencers or people who don't have millions of followers. You can also take the initiative and reach out to some of your favorite brands. Mind you, if you are a smaller account, you're probably going to want to start with smaller brands and local businesses. You can be creative in how you can implement their products into your TikTok videos in exchange for compensation. The third and final way to make money on TikTok as a creator would be to create and sell a TikTok account. Now, obviously, this wouldn't be done through like a personal account under your name and with your face. But if you had a different specific type of TikTok account, maybe an account that did compilations or funny videos or something like that, you could build it up and sell it to another marketer. This is a very popular strategy on other platforms like Twitter and Instagram. People build up niche topic accounts and then sell them after they've created a large following. Those are my top 3 ways to make money on TikTok as a creator. If you know of any other great ways, please leave us a comment below. Help out other fellow TikTok creators so they can learn how to build their business around TikTok. I'm going to be coming out with some more TikTok videos, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out any future content. If you're satisfied with this video, tap the thumbs up below. Tap the subscribe button to come back for more. There's also useful information and links in the description, so go take a peek. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.